Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna prepare mandazis. We want to prepare soft to mandazi here and see the results. Make sure you measure 2 cups of flour, 2 eggs, half a cup of milk, sugar kwa ile kiwango yenye unataka, 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Make sure unakanda hiyo unga hadi ishiki chini, unga inakuwa soft, and then unaifunika for some time, for some 10 to 15 minutes to see the results at the end. And guys, that's our unga. We funika it for 15 good minutes. Tungoje tuone kunaendaje. Tunatafuta tu kitambaa safi, tunafunika, and then hata tunaifunika hapo for some time, for 10 to 15 minutes, and then we come back, we see the results. Guys, let's do this. Guys, these are the results of our mandazis. Zingine zimeungua, zingine ziko tu sawa, and guys, ndani zimeiva. I can't wait to taste them. They are so yummy.